video, this is going to be the third upgrade that I made on my pressure washer. And it's going to be installing quick connect fittings. And I like to use a little anti-seize, just see if it helps any, if I have to take it off. Screw it on. It makes it a lot easier to me to do this than to unscrew the hose every time that I want to take it off, or that I need to take it off. And I've already put anti-seize on this one. Pretty tight. And then it's so much easier just to put the hose on like that and pull it off than it is to unscrew it. I mean, I may save a minute or two, but I mean, that's a lot better, especially on these hot days. And I'll take one and screw in this in. Then it's quick connect ready. And I also put this kink saver on. I don't know if anybody turns around. This kink saver hose on here, and it keeps it away from the heat that the pump generates while you're using it. And it's a lot easier for me just to reach and hold it out and unscrew it. So I hope that this video was helpful to you, and just another idea of an upgrade that you can do on your pressure washer to make it more convenient to hook up the hose to it or unhook it or whatever. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.